Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-15. The MiG-15 introduced North Vietnam to modern jet warfare. It trained the country's first jet pilots and gave them confidence to face U.S. aircraft. Fast for its time and heavily armed, it marked the beginning of serious aerial resistance against American air superiority. Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-17. The MiG-17 earned a fearsome reputation in close combat. Though slower than American jets, its excellent turning ability allowed Vietnamese pilots to outmaneuver opponents. Armed with powerful cannons, it proved especially dangerous to U.S. bombers during low-altitude engagements. Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-19. As North Vietnam's first supersonic fighter, the MiG-19 was built to intercept fast U.S. strike aircraft. It demanded skilled pilots, but offered high speed and strong firepower. When used effectively, it posed a serious challenge to American air operations. Mikoyan Gurevich MiG-21. The MiG-21 became the most successful Vietnamese interceptor of the war. Lightweight and extremely fast, it specialized in sudden missile attacks before disengaging. Its hit-and-run tactics forced U.S. pilots to constantly adapt, making it one of the most dangerous threats in the skies. Northrop F-5 Freedom Fighter. Captured after the fall of South Vietnam, the F-5 was simple to operate and reliable. Once flown against the North, it later served as a symbol of victory. Its ease of maintenance made it useful during the transition period after American withdrawal. Ilyushin IL-28. The IL-28 gave North Vietnam a limited jet bombing capability. Used mainly for coastal patrol and deterrence missions, it threatened U.S. naval forces near Vietnamese waters. Its presence forced American planners to consider aerial strikes beyond fighter interception. Ilyushin IL-28. The IL-28 gave North Vietnam a limited jet bombing capability. Used mainly for coastal patrol and deterrence missions, it threatened U.S. naval forces near Vietnamese waters. Its presence forced American planners to consider aerial strikes beyond fighter interception. Cessna A-37 Dragonfly. The A-37 was compact but lethal. Its rapid-fire weapons and precision strike ability made it effective in jungle warfare. Captured units were used to strike retreating forces and support ground troops operating in dense terrain. North American T-28 Trojan. Originally designed as a trainer, the T-28 was converted into a light attack aircraft. It was durable and easy to maintain. North Vietnamese forces used it early in the conflict for reconnaissance and limited strike missions over jungle regions. Douglas AC-47 Spooky. The AC-47 delivered overwhelming firepower through side-mounted guns. Captured from the south, it could blanket ground targets with sustained fire. Its psychological impact alone made it one of the most feared aircraft used after American withdrawal. Fairchild AC-119. Equipped with night-fighting technology, the AC-119 was effective after sunset. Once captured, it was used to strike remaining U.S.-backed forces. Its heavy weapons and sensors made it a powerful tool during post-war operations. Mi-1. The Mi-1 was North Vietnam's first helicopter and primarily used for pilot training. It introduced rotary wing aviation and prepared crews for future combat helicopters used against one of the largest air fleets ever deployed by the United States. Mi-4. The Mi-4 was a dependable troop and supply carrier. It allowed North Vietnamese forces to move men and equipment across jungle terrain while avoiding ground blockades. Its reliability made it essential for logistics and mobility. MiL Mi-8. The Mi-8 became the backbone of helicopter operations. Designed for harsh environments, it transported troops, weapons, and supplies. Its performance rivaled American helicopters and played a major role in sustained jungle warfare. Bell UH-1 Iroquois. The UH-1 Huey symbolized U.S. mobility during the war. Captured examples were reused for transport missions. Its presence in North Vietnamese service represented the reversal of American air dominance after withdrawal. Bell 0858 Kiowa. Light and maneuverable, the 0858 served as an aerial observer. It was used to monitor troop movements and provide battlefield awareness, especially in areas inaccessible to ground patrols.